Hey, welcome in. It's Crazything, the airbrush guy. I hope you're having an amazing day. I've got some cool stuff to show you, but when I get done doing that, I've got to start packing the truck up. We do have an event tonight. We go all over. As many of you are probably aware, I airbrush. Sometimes I'll take my artwork depending on the event, but I also airbrush on people. I tell you, I'll airbrush on anything that'll sit still. Well, I mean that, even people. I airbrush different designs and makeup and airbrush tattoos and stuff like that on kids, adults. You can actually hire me to go about anywhere. Of course, the further away, I'm in Cecilia, Kentucky, so the further away you get, the more expensive it is because of travel expenses and stuff. But other than that, yeah, if you got an event or a party or a show that you want me at, contact me. I'll give you a quote. I've got a cool license plate to show you first. I airbrushed this yesterday. Ta-da! You like it? It's a white owl behind a white barn in a snowstorm. See all the detail? You don't believe me? Okay. I'll show you the other side then. Look at that. Anybody a fan of the wild hogs? That's gonna look really cool on the front of a car. I like that. If you've been keeping up with me, messages everywhere. If you've been keeping up with me at all, you'll know that I've been doing a series of dragons. Well, I did another one. No, you can't see it yet. It's behind that horse. Behind the horse. Yeah, there's a dragon behind that horse. I've been doing it on the 16 by 20 canvases. But I've got a question for you guys, and I really want your honest opinion. What do you think if I start doing more work on these panels? I know it's a little dirty. I really want to start doing more stuff on these 24-inch by 24-inch aluminum panels. They're a little bit more expensive, but it costs me a little bit more to do them too. But I want your honest opinion. I really think the size and plus being a smoother, more harder surface will get even more details than what I'm already doing. Like this horse, imagine this horse on there. I think it would make it pop even more. But I want to show you the dragon. You ready? All right, here we go for the wow factor. Boom! What do you think? You like it? Check him out. I did that yesterday. Is that cool? Look at those flames. Like, I think it turned out really cool. I've done lost count how many dragons I've done in the series. But you know what? Somebody must like these dragons because this is the only one I've got left and I just done it yesterday. I don't know how long it'll last. According to the rest of them, it'll probably be gone by the time you see this video. And that's okay. People have been going to my Etsy page and ordering, and I love it. That's how I make this happen. I've got a lot of repeat customers that go on there, and they like monitor my Etsy page every day, and if something gets put on there that they like, they snatch it right up. And those repeat customers, I say it all the time, are the backbone of my business. Without them, I don't know that I could do this. I'm always trying to reach more people, new people, let them see what I do, whether they like my work or whether they don't like my work. I want them to at least know I exist. I want them to know that there is a guy out here that's airbrushing everything on everything. So please continue to hit those buttons for me. The Etsy page, the link is in the description. You can go check that out if you want to. If you're not in a position to buy from me or purchase or order anything, that's okay. Leaving a comment helps tremendously. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Check out my Facebook. All that stuff, it helps. Guys, I appreciate you so much. Everything you do helps me. Every button you push helps get my work out there to be seen. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in the next one.